This is Kelly Laffey with the Cultural Competence Reflection video. What does it mean to be culturally competent educator? Cultural competency is understanding what makes each child different and react differently. As a teacher and educator, we need to recognize different cultures and their speech and reactions because they will vary. As a teacher, we can incorporate the different cultures into our lessons so that we can see the differences that vary from culture to culture and learn from them in a safe environment in the classroom. Where do I see myself on cultural competency chart and why? According to the cultural competency chart, I see myself at cultural competence because I am committed to social and economic justice. I am willing to engage with others and coordinate their values and their beliefs and needs into decision making and action. I am always looking to gain a more accurate and understanding of one's own worldview that differs from my own. I am willing and actively learning about other cultures and open to feedback from diverse individuals. When I become a teacher, I'm willing to utilize available resources to become more culturally competent in my classroom. What will it take for me to get to the next step or to deepen my cultural competence, including understanding my own personal bias, teaching in a diverse classroom, and implementing strategies for ensuring a safe and supportive classroom for all students? In order for me to teach diversity in the classroom, I need to have knowledge and understanding of the students and their backgrounds that I have in my class. It is being open and accepting of different practices of all students. All students are individuals, and all our individuals make the class a whole. I will need to put aside any biases or thoughts away and focus on each student as a person. We are all going to have different views, and nobody is better than the other. This is what makes us an individual. Looking back at my research and readings, in my readings of cultural competence, now 56 exercises to help educators understand and challenge bias, racism, and privilege, I came across exercise 28, a cultural scavenger hunt. The idea is having teachers get together to learn about the community and students by visiting local places like the community library, volunteering at the food shelter or homeless shelter, riding public transportation, talking to a local banker or a medical professional. The takeaway is to have a better knowledge and understanding of your students and their behaviors, especially the behaviors different than our own. The behaviors of greetings, eye contact, voice tone, and nonverbal. The community should be rich with cultural knowledge that we can bring back to the classroom. What will it look like to have cultural inclusivity in my classroom? As a future teacher, I plan on knowing my students and their families and backgrounds. I feel with open communication, they will feel comfortable and safe discussing their cultures. I will be treating others as I would want to be treated, just as I was raised to do. I want all my students to treat each other with respect and dignity because that is what we all deserve. Everyone is different, and that makes us unique. We are all human, and we all have feelings on the inside, no matter what we look like on the outside.